So I woke up last Tuesday, 17 messages asking basically the same question. Bisho, is SEO dead? Should I quit? And honestly, I get it. Google's AI search, SGE, Search GPT, Perplexity, they are everywhere and everyone's panicking because the old playbook seems broken. But here's what nobody telling you while everyone's freaking out. I have been quickly testing what actually works in AI search. Not theory, not guesses, real data from real rankings. And what I found, it's not what the gurus are saying. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how I am ranking in AI search results and 3 shifts I made that changed everything. And why this might actually be the best time to be creating content. If you know what to do, I am Rishajit Roy. Most people call me CPA Rishajit. I am 22, running maximum marketing from Dinasur, Bangladesh. And I have been in digital marketing since December 2021. That's not decades. That's not even 5 years. But here's what that matters. I'm learning this AI search shift in real time just like you. I don't have same accent SEO empire to project. I'm actually adapting right now, making mistake and figuring out what works. And before we dive in, if you are worried about the future of content, SEO or making money online with all those AI changes, this video is going to give you clarity. So subscribe if you have not, because I am documenting this entire journey. Alright, let's talk about what's actually happening. Not the panic, the reality. Google SGE is rolling out. ChatGPT has search now. Perplexity is going fast, and yes, traditional search results are getting polished down. I have seen it in my own analytics on my affiliate articles that was ranking position 3. It drops to position 7 with SGE kicked in out for the query. That's a real traffic hit, but here's what I noticed when I actually used those AI search tools myself. There's not replacing Google for everything. There's a changing how people search is certain things. Let me break this down with real examples from my own expertise. 2 weeks ago, I searched the best project management tools for small towns in Google. The SGE overview pulled up, give me a quick summary, listed 3 tools useful, right? But then I clicked thought an actual article anyway. Why? Because I wanted to see real screenshot, real user experience, understand pricing details, and the AI summary don't cover. Now compare that to when I searched how to calculate ROI formula. The AI answer was complete. I don't click anything, the search engine was fully satisfied. See the difference? AI search is caching information queries when people just want to quick answers. But for queries, people need depth, comparison, personal experience, all ready to make a buying decision. Traditional content and creators like us still win. The data backs this up too. According to recent studies, SGE appears for about 85% of queries, but click-through rate to websites have not disappeared. They have just shifted to content that provides value beyond what AI can summarize. This reminds me of something from my mechanic days. I used to fix motorcycles before I got into marketing. When electronic ignition system come out, all the old mechanics panic. This is too complicated. The good old ways are over. But you know what happened? The mechanic who learned the new system, who understood how to work it, they thrived. Everyone else kept computing. AI search is the same. You can either panic or adapt. So let me share the 3 specific shifts I made that are already working. Those are not theories, they are changes I implemented. And I am seeing results. Shift number 1. I shifted writing for Google. I shifted writing for AI to quite me. This sounds worried, but hear me out. When AI tools generate answer, they pull from sources, they cite website. Their question is, how do you become a source of AI wants to say? I tested this with the stories of articles about affiliate marketing studies. In my old articles, I shaped keywords, optimized for each match phrases, all the traditional SEO stuff, but for my new content, I restructured everything around being AI quotable. What does mean is particularly. First, I started using clear, differentiative segments. Instead of writing 3 or many factors to consider when choosing affiliate products, I choose affiliate products based on 3 criteria: audience fit, communication structure, and vendor reliability. See how the sound is quotable. AI can extract that cleanly. Second, but I built what I call answer blocks. Short paragraphs that completely answer a specific question without requiring super downing context. That makes it easy for AI to pull and sit. Third, and his is huge. I added original data from personal examples. AI can summarize exciting information all day, but it can create new information. My article about after marketing failures that has my failure stories, my data, my lessons from the World Unit CPA project that I crushed and burned back in 2023. AI has a cheat amidst the source that because it literally does not exist anywhere else. Within 3 weeks of implementing this, I started approaching in Perplexity, citations, and ChatGPT search results for words where I was not even ranking on page on intentional Googles. Shift number 2. I targeted AI proof search intent. Remember how I monitored same queries AI proof. I doubled down those especially. I focused on 3 types of content. First, comparison content. Tool A versus Tool B style articles. AI can give overview, summarize, but people making buying decisions want detailed expressions-based competitions with screenshot, pricing breakdowns, and the real user perspective. I create a comparison with email marketing problems based on testing I did actually done. That's article traffic barely changed when SGE roll out because AI summarize can replace hands-on comparison. Second, personal experience and case studies. I write about my article journey December 3rd, 2021, starting from my artist's house in Chiribandor with zero knowledge, failed at surveys, failed at Facebook ads, eventually found SEO. Those stories, AI literally cannot generate them. They are unique to me and people cannot with real stories. Why? Stories more than generic advice. Third, step-by-step tutorials with troubleshooting. AI can tell you the steps to set up something, but when something breaks, when steps 4 does not work like I supposed to, that's where detailed tutorials with this happens. Do these sections become invaluable? I build entire troubleshooting sections into my SEO guides and those pages hold their traffic because AI cannot anticipate every problem someone might encounter. Sheet number 3. I optimize for depth of engagement over the time on site. This is more stable but really important. The old SEO metric was time on site, keep people reading as long as possible. But that created bulleted content. AI search is changing this because now people might read the AI summary, then decide if they need or more. So when they click your articles, they are coming with specific intent for deeper information. I restructured my content to deliver immediate value, then offer depth over those who won't it. My articles now have a clear AI summary friendly answer right at the top, expandable depth with examples. Data, alternatives, interactive elements like try this experience or calculate your own numbers. Original graphs and diagrams, AI cannot replace this approach. Is actually increased my engagement metrics because the people who click through are highly qualified. They already got the basic answer from AI. They are coming into minds for something more. Look, I am not going to lie to you. AI search has changed things. Same of my traffic has shifted. Same keywords I rank for are less valuable right now. But here's what I have learned from 3 years doing this. And this applies whether you are talking about AI search, algorithm updates, or any platform changes. The creators who provide real value answers serve. When I started December 3rd, 2021, I failed at everything for months. Survey don't work, CPA offers flopped, Facebook ads burned my money. Every easy method failed. You know what finally works? Learning actual skills, understanding SEO deeply, providing real help to real people. The World University project are launched in 2023. Total failure, wasted time, wasted effort, but that failure taught me that people don't want another get-rich-quick scheme. They want honest guideline from someone who's actually done the work. That's philosophy, that's focus on real value, that's what makes content AI-proof. Not tracks, not hacks, just being genuinely useful. AI can summarize information, but it can replace human experience. It can't replace your unique perspective. It can't replace that trust by you build showing up consistently and sharing not just your wins, but your losers too. So if you are worried about AI search killing your content strategy, here's what I did recommend based on what actually working. On Audit your content, which pieces answer question AI can fully safely. Those are vulnerable. Which pieces provide depth, personal experience, or comparison. Those are strong performance. Double down on creating more on the second time. 2. Make yourself quotable and original data, personal stories, and clear quotable statement in your content. Become the source of AI wins to the reference. 3. Focus on search intent that requires more than a summary. Bring decision, delayed tutorials, personal experience, complex problem solving. Those are AI re-assistant. 4. Build an actual brand. These are bigger than just SEO. When people know your name, they search you, especially Vishwajit Roy after marketing. Searches are going straight on my content. Bypassing AI summarize entirely, that's the long game. And honestly, this might be the best time to build. Everyone panicking, most people will quit, and the ones who add up, who learn this in the new landscape, who keep providing value, who are going to win big. If this was helpful, hit the subscribe button, and I am documenting this entire journey. Every test I run, every strategy I try, every feature win, I am sharing it. Not Guru BS, just real strategies. Drop a comment and tell me what your biggest worry about AI search and you're adapting or panicking. Let's figure this out together. I am Vishwajit Roy. Thanks for watching, and remember, the algorithm only cares about which watch time, So if you are made it this far, you are exactly the kind of person I want in this community. See you in the next on. Bye.